my name is Carl Stover, and I am out of Ellsworth, Kansas. I am the agriculture education instructor and FFA advisor there. I teach a variety of different classes, including animal science, horticulture, ag projects, small gas engines, welding 1, junior high agriculture and leadership, ag business, and then I also have a few students who will take agriculture independent study. My FFA program runs with about 55 members. I am the class sponsor for the freshmen as well. I am on the school and district leadership team and professional development committee at my school. I am on the State FFA Foundation Board of Directors and am active in the Kansas Association of Agriculture Educators. The school that I spend most of my time in is Ellsworth Junior Senior High School. We are a 2A school in a small Kansas community. The school population is about 98% white, and we are over 50% free and reduced lunches. The school community is dominated by agriculture and manufacturing careers, with other emphasis on supporting businesses. I am really excited to be learning about data and assessment, as that's one area where I could see myself really growing and gaining a lot of information. So let's just jump in to looking at what my school offers with data and assessment utilization. I think really we're in a growing process on that. Our current administration has changed over the last 3 years, and now they're really trying to get the data out to us so we can actually look at it as teachers, which is really nice. They actually will send out our testing data from state tests and also the ACT scores that our juniors all took this year out to the teachers so we can see where our students sit. That has changed from in past years. In past years, we didn't know what our students did and how their scores were, so that's really nice. We started using some programs on Career Cruising to help our students with math, science, and English, especially to boost their scores on the ACT. But really, we're still in the starting process of really utilizing our state data and understanding what all goes into it. My own knowledge, I definitely have a lot to learn when it comes to school-wide assessment data. Because I am not a core teacher, this isn't really something I've looked at a lot. I have started this year since my school put it out. I've looked at the ACT and state testing data to see where my agriculture students are. This has helped my instruction to vary it some more if students struggled in reading or writing. I look at the state's comprehensive agriculture testing data. My pathway actually has a comprehensive agriculture test, and I always like going in and seeing where my seniors who are pathway finishers end up in the rankings. I was really happy with my kids this year as they were exceptional or above average in accordance to other students who have taken the test in comprehensive agriculture. I really utilize this data to see how my students are learning in class and how I can better adapt my classroom to teach those important items in agriculture. So here's my plan for data and assessment. I really want to fully utilize this class and obtain the needed information to understand data on a larger school scale. I understand that data is very important to really see where our students are heading and how we can change our own teaching to better fit our students' needs and wants. I want to ask some questions of my current administration to learn from their findings. This is something that our administration have really started pushing to get us, data known to us. So I want to see why they thought that, and then where do they see us going in the school. Next, I want to engage in some classroom activities and find ways to utilize assessment data to better my classroom, but also my school. So I'm really excited to get to learning in AEP 858. See you guys later.